Okay, what do we got here? This is like a headline article appearing in phys.org, and it came out a couple months back. Rain on Greenland ice sheet signals climate change risk. Well, nice of them to come to the party here. I did a video segment some time ago discussing, winter rain on Greenland. You may want to check out that video. So this is not exactly a new thing here. This has been going on for a while. I want to state that up front. Rain fell at the highest point on Greenland's ice sheet, possibly for the first time in an event Danish scientists on Monday said was most likely driven by climate change. The rain was observed for several hours on August 14th at a measuring post more than 3,000 meters up on the sheet, the U.S. Snow and Ice Data Center reported. Rain to fall, temperature must be above or just slightly below 0 degrees centigrade, interesting it said centigrade, not Celsius, signaling the risk that rising temperatures pose to the world's second largest ice sheet after Antarctica. This is an extreme event as it may never have happened before, said Martin Stendal, a researcher at the Danish Meteorological Institute. Probable that this is a sign of global warming. Okay, let me pause here for a moment. Now, if they're talking about the highest point in Greenland's ice sheet, okay, that's possibly a first time. That's basically almost like in centrally located. The rains that have been observed before, the winter rains that have been observed before, have been maybe perhaps towards the outer edges of the ice sheet, not as far inland or as far up the ice sheet as some of these other events have taken place. But rain has fallen on the ice sheets in the past. Perhaps not in the central portion, central regions of the ice sheet, but it has happened. Temperatures have risen above freezing at the peak of the sheet only 9 times in the past 2,000 years. 3 of those events have been in the past 10 years. But on the previous 2 occasions, in 2012 and 2019, there was no rain. We cannot prove whether it rained or not at the 6 occasions before. It's very unlikely, which makes the rainfall we observed even more remarkable, said Stendal. The rain comes after a summer in which northern Greenland has experienced record-setting temperatures of more than 20 degrees. This heat wave has seen the rate of melting of the ice sheet accelerate further. Its retreat, which began several decades ago, began to speed up in 1990. With a surface area more than 3 times that of France, the ice sheet covering Greenland locks up enough water to raise global sea levels by up to 7 meters. The melting is causing concern among scientists as warming in the Arctic is faster than the global average. Yeah, 3 times faster. According to a European study published in January, the melting of the Greenland ice sheet is expected to contribute to the overall rise in sea levels by 10 to 18 centimeters by 2100, 60% faster than the previous estimate. 10 to 18 centimeters may not sound like much, that's basically 4 to 7 inches or so. But when you consider the surface area of the Earth, that is a significant amount. And it will cause problems for coastal cities. Of course, you got the rain coming down, the heat energy in the rain, because it is above freezing, even slightly so, is enough to melt that ice. And then as the ice melts and this water starts intruding into the ice, it will worm its way down and could start leading to fissures and cracks forming in the ice that will help split the ice, help it calve more so, increasing the rate of calving, increasing the rate that the sheet disappears.